All of you are doing great, and I came with the video that to explain few procurement related reports on Fiori. So let us go to that procurement related videos now. Go to Fiori Launchpad. So I have already logged in so that it came directly. Otherwise, it will ask you to input the user ID and password. So I have the roles. Let us go to that /NSU01D. Okay, I have the roles related to purchasing manager and all. So you can see purchaser role I have. It will give you certain reports access to me. If I want anything more, we can add the central purchaser is there and purchaser. So in real time, there will be new roles will be created by the security team, security or GRC team based on the business requirement of purchase manager, purchase clerk and support team. Like that, they create different type of roles. For the roles, they will assign the whatever query apps. Okay, based on that. For now, in the standard, I took two roles, so we can access certain kind of a purchasing related. So go here and we can search the purchasing. Okay, so we can see here purchase order processing, purchase requisition, purchasing analytics. Okay, we can explore few things. Let's check it. Okay. Sometimes in idea system, one or two apps might not work, so you don't have to worry much. At least whatever apps are working fine, you can practice for your learning. And if you feel something you wanted to apply and all, you can definitely explore in your office system if you're working. So if you're not working in idea system, most of the things are working. If something is not working, you can explore with the error message or any message or information given by the system. So based on that, you can definitely utilize it. So now we are going to do the analysis part here. So now we are going to do analysis like what are the different things. Purchasing analytics per purchase orders. So first we'll see the purchase order, which is the most popular document among all the purchasing processes, whether by PR or contract and RFQ and all. So I took this one. So you can see here, SAP has given the lot of analytics. You can provide this analysis to your management. If you're working as a key user and user, you can directly check this one. See here, overdue purchase order items means purchase order is created, but within the delivery date, they are not reached. You can click on here overdue purchase order items. It is showing in the entire system. I mean, the login, lot of companies are there, right? And also we have access to everything. That's why it is showing, but in real time, it won't happen. Whatever the roles assigned to you, which company code, which plan, that related data only will be visible. Okay. So whether you wanted to purchase order items with the overdue delivery date, this is the report. You want to check it. So how do you want to check? So by supplier, by plant, by purchase group, we can check it. Let's check by plant. Okay. So when you check the plant, the system is giving for all different type of plants, but we need to filter, right? So let us use the filter. Okay. Click on here. I just click on this arrow mark only, nothing else. Display currency, INR, because my company code currency is INR. And adapt filters. I want to include the plant. GP01. GP01. So for my plant, previous year to till date, what are the purchase orders are overdue? We can see here. See, you can see number of overdue items. I have these many overdue items and open PO net value. We have this one open PO, but the delivery date is not yet fallen, but this one is already overdue. See, these many purchase orders. So number of overdue items, only one item is overdue. And open PO 2.42K INR is available. Okay. So, and also if you see the chart type, same way, SAP has put it everywhere the similar way. So the total, the plant level when you're checking, it is giving that one column chart, number of overdue items and the open net value. Okay. So if you want to download to Excel sheet, you can directly click on export to Excel sheet. So system will download to Excel sheet. What are the PO items are overdue? That information you can download to Excel sheet. Yeah, the file is already generated. We can check here. More easier, not go to spreadsheets, download and all. We can directly get this here. Yeah. So it is giving that in the calendar 2025, open PO 2424 and overdue items are 1. So that information you download to Excel sheet without much efforts. Okay. Okay, so we have done this one and we will explore another report. See, purchase order, average delivery and purchase order spend analysis. How much you spend, the comparison related one. Purchase order changes and purchase order value and scale, total purchase order value, we can check it. So what is the overall purchase order value? Again, click on this one, go to adapt filters, include company code you want to check or plant, on what level you want to check it. GP 00. Click on go. Currency, we change to always country. Our company code currency, you want to check it. So there will not be any conversion calculation. See total here, 4,200 rupees we have created. Okay, purchase order. And I don't have any kind of scheduling agreement so that I have not seen it. 2026, this March and 2025. Okay. So how much we actually is purchasing spend, how much we spend, that we can check here. Another report, purchase order average approval time. If you use a flexible workflow, you can check that one. We will make flexible workflow very soon. PO output, automation rate, spend variance, purchasing spend, purchase order changes. I'm giving the plant. Any changes? GP 01 is my plant. So any changes happen to the PO. Previous year too, I didn't make any PO changes. Maybe let us do one thing. We'll make some PO changes and we'll see the report. How does it look like? We'll go to home and we'll select purchase order processing. Purchase order processing. So purchase order items due for delivery. This is the VL10B related transaction. So we will check the purchasing order processing. These are somewhere here. Purchase order processing. So come here and procurement overview or create purchase order, change. I think we are going to check the manage purchase orders. Manage purchase orders, we will find any open PO and we'll make some changes and see the report. How does it look like? Purchase order processing. Monitor purchase order items. Procurement overview. Procurement overview. Yeah, lot of things are there here. Display currency INR and purchasing organization GPPO. So you can check here. The purchase entire procurement overview is coming here of contract spend and purchase requisition, item types. Okay, purchasing spend, purchase requisition, monitor purchase order items. In the monitoring purchase order items, we will check. I don't want any open. Okay, we found multiple POs. I'm going to this PO number, manage purchase orders. Looks like this manage purchase order app is not working in this system. More links. Mass changes to purchase orders. Mass changes to purchase orders. More links. Let's find purchase order. Display purchase orders. Create purchase orders. Change. Mass changes is not working. Click on purchase order. I hope here we'll get an option to edit it. Because generally the system looks faster only, but somewhat slow. So related apps, purchase order. Okay, it's good. We'll take any normal PO. 760. Yeah, once you click on this one, you'll click on the PO number. Directly it is going to the PO screen. So here we can make any kind of things to standard. So this entire item information, Incoterms. Change purchase order advanced. Yeah, recently I heard about this app. Change purchase order advanced. So here we can make changes to PO. It looks like same like our ME22N. So select the other PO. Click on other PO and input the PO number. We have copied here. We will check the purchase order by material. So GP01 also fine. Yeah, we'll use this CPU 760. 760, and once you come here, we will make changes to the, for example, the 1 liter, I made it as a 20 liter and click on save. Delivery date is in the past, tax code is invalid. So we will change the tax code to, we change the tax code and delivery date we will change to today's date and save it. So the purchase order is saved. Now we came finally to the changes to the purchase order now. When you go to the purchase order changes and by company code, click on here, go to adapt filters, give plant GP01. Okay, now we saw at least the entry. What quantity we make changes, total POR changes by supplier GP00. What kind of data? The quantity changes. For example, if we take only quantity, we made this quantity changes just now. So the quantity changes related information is available here. That's not the chart. If you want to have tabular view, we can see in the table view like what material is changed. Document also we can see here. See, this is the one just now changed. 45 760. That's the one we changed it, right? The same thing we got it. So slowly get familiar, and we need to be comfortable with the layout. We are habitual with GUI. Slowly we can explore and make changes and and analyze the different reports available. So invoice related and all. Definitely I will come up with few more once the supplier evaluation is completed. Those reports I will cover. For now I showed the purchase order related and even the purchase requisition also. If you want to check the display purchase requisitions, okay, and purchase requisitions related information also, you can explore and what are the different level of purchase requisitions available which are created, that we can find it. GMRP. So you can see here GMRP PR and G third party PR. So if you see these two PRs, we created as part of MRP and third party. So you will see the PR related to which are created under our plant. You can see the list of purchase requisitions and how much value. And if you want to go inside the PR, it will go to the display purchase requisition. It will show you all the information about the material, how much quantity, source of supply, account assignment, valuation. Okay, all these things will be available in a purchase requisition. So I will add few more parts to the same purchasing reports whenever I find some interesting reports with the graphics and better visibility. So I will definitely add few more videos to the same section. So I hope you learned about how to access the purchasing related reports and explore. It's a continuous learning. All are new to these Fiori apps. We have to learn and explore and understand. And whenever I find something better, I will come up with part one, part two, part three, like that, with for the purchasing analytics. Thanks for your time. And if you like this video, provide your rating on Udemy and keep sharing our videos with your circle to help more people. Thank you.